Namaste. Every child is born with a spark of curiosity and a dream to learn. But for millions in India, this dream is shadowed by the harsh reality of poverty. Imagine a world where the doors to a classroom are forever locked. In our nation today, 32 million children under 13 have never known the inside of a school. The journey often ends before it truly begins. In addition, 47 million children of secondary and higher secondary school-going age dropped out of school. Shockingly, there are more than 33 million child laborers below the age of 18 years in India, whereas they should be in school. Children trapped in poverty are forced to drop out of school and find ways to survive. But in the heart of Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh, there is a beacon of hope. SEREDS, Sai Educational Rural and Urban Development Society was founded in year 2003 to change this story. For over 2 decades, we have dedicated ourselves to the most vulnerable. From orphans and street children to abandoned women and the elderly, our mission is to serve with compassion. At SEREDS, we believe that true empowerment begins with education. It is the most powerful tool we can give a child to break the chains of poverty. SERED's Child Education Sponsorship Program breaks the cycle of poverty for a child and their family, creating a lasting and positive impact in their lives. SERED's Orphanage is a registered child care institution in Kurnool, caring for 25 girls and 35 boys. Our children come from various backgrounds including orphans, street children rescued by volunteers, and those from impoverished single-parent households who cannot provide adequate care. Meet Boya Ramudu. Ramudu grew up in a small village in Kurnool district where his parents worked as agricultural laborers. His father struggled with alcohol addiction, fell ill, and passed away, leaving his mother Sunkulam to carry the family alone. Unable to manage on a single income, his mother heard about SERED's Joy Home through a relative and made the difficult, loving decision to enroll Ramudu. Today, Ramudu is 14 and studying in class 9. Let us introduce you to K. Rupa. She is a determined 9th grade student. Rupa comes from a family that struggles every day to make ends meet. Despite the challenges, Rupa's eyes sparkle when she talks about her future. She knows that her education is her pathway to a life of independence. This is B. Hemalta, another bright spark in class 9. Hemalta's parents are manual laborers who dream of a different life for their daughter. Hemalta understands the value of this opportunity. Every book she reads and every lesson she learns brings her one step closer to her goals. Meet M.G. Bhargav, a young man with a quiet strength. Like many boys his age in Kurnool, the pressure to leave school and work is immense. But Bhargav is choosing a different path. With SERED's support, he is staying in school, proving that with the right help, any child can thrive. And here is D. Jyoti. Her journey has not been easy, but her commitment to her studies is an inspiration to everyone at the center. Jyoti dreams of a day when she can give back to her community. Your sponsorship isn't just an investment in her, it's an investment in the future of India. There are many more like them, including K. Lavanya. Each one of these students stands at a crossroads, waiting for a hand to hold. In the areas we serve, families often have to choose between a meal and a school book. It is a choice no parent should ever have to make. Without sponsorship, these children risk falling back into the cycle of labor and missed opportunities. We cannot let that happen. The cost of a child's education is less than what most of us spend on a single meal out. But its value is immeasurable. Your donation covers tuition fees, uniforms, and all the tools needed for a successful academic year. It is a complete gift of learning. SERED's impact extends beyond the classroom. We also care for the elderly who have no one else to turn to, providing them with nutrition and companionship. We empower women through skill development programs, helping them gain the financial independence they need to support their families. We support girl students with education kits. Aim of this project is to identify and support 500 underprivileged girl students from slum communities who are studying in classes V2X in government schools. Every year, we distribute the educational material kits to these girls. The education kit contains school bag, long and short notebooks, dictionary, shoes, socks, pencils, erasers, writing pad, branded school uniforms, sketch pens, geometry box, color pencils, etc. When you support Serids, you aren't just helping an individual. You are helping to build a stronger, more resilient community in Kurnool. The children we educate today will be the leaders, teachers, and professionals of tomorrow. They are the legacy of your generosity. Today, we invite you to be a part of this transformation. Will you stand with us and be the hero in a child's story? Joining the Serids family means more than just sending a check. It means becoming a part of a movement that values every human life. Visit our website at seridsindia.org to learn more about our programs and how you can make a difference today. You can also reach us directly on phone +91 9849977577. Our team is ready to assist you to sponsor a child's education. Or send us an email at info@seridsindia.org. No contribution is too small to make a lasting impact. Every child you see here has a future full of promise. With your help, we can ensure that promise is fulfilled. Thank you for your heart and your support. Together, we can break the cycle of poverty and build a world where every child has the chance to go to school and follow their dreams. Serids also runs 3 creche or child daycare centers for 80 children. These children come from poor families where both parents work as construction or farm laborers. Thanks to Serids daycare centers, they are able to leave their kids in a safe environment from morning till evening. Thank you for your support. We run all our welfare projects with donations from generous donors like you.